Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Discover Pakistan TV. I'm your host Rameen Mahmood. And a very warm welcome from the red carpet of LAM Fashion Week 2026. लाम फैशन वीक जो कि एक्सपो सेंटर लाहौर में हो रहा है, आज उसका चौथा रोज़ है। 4 दिन पर मुश्तमिल ये फ़ैशन वीक था, जिसमें हमने बड़े ब्रांड से लेके न्यू स्टार्टअप ब्रांड्स देखे। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे थे, बहुत सारे डिज़ाइनर ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने अपना जो फ़ैशन शोज़ का जो स्टार्ट है वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करके लिया। तो इट वाज़ अ ह्यूज शो और इसमें हमने बड़े बड़े ब्रांड और इसको डिज़ाइन किया था, डायरेक्ट किया था वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिज़ाइनर ऑफ पाकिस्तान HSY। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी गेमा गेमी थी। आज भी जो है वो रेड कार्पेट पे बहुत सारे मेहमान हमारे साथ होंगे, उनसे बात करेंगे और आपको ये शो भी दिखाएंगे, तो आए मेरे साथ। I have Adil Jahangir with me at the red carpet. I would like to ask you, how is your experience of LAM Fashion Week 2026?
Yeah, incredible actually. This is something I haven't experienced before in Pakistan. So I think they have done an incredible job on organizing like such an amazing big event with so many brands coming together, and it's amazing to see it.
मुझे ये बताएं कि आपका फेवरेट डिज़ाइनर कौन है? Who is your favorite designer?
I would say Ali Zishan, and
Any specific reason for that?
I think he's very unique in a certain ways that what do you call it, very unparalleled designs and cuts and fabrics. So its thought process is very, I think, very vibrant.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
At the red carpet, I have one of the best salons of Lahore's honor, Hifza Khan. Absolutely, I'm in love with that salon and I'm really glad that she is here. How are you doing?
Thank you so much. It's an honor, and thank you for all the praises. Yes, I'm well and very excited to attend the Fashion Week, LAM Fashion Week, and this is happening after a long time. You know, there's been a long gap in the fashion industry as far as the showcasing was concerned. So yeah, absolutely excited.
मुझे ये बताएं, आपके सैलून पे तो there are so many pretty brides, party makeup, a lot of things. So who is your favorite designer, and what is one red flag that you don't like in women's collection?
All right, so my favorite designer hands down is HSY, and I think he's amazing. He's been doing fantastic work for such a long time.
बसंत आ रही है लाहौर में, so how much excited you are to
I
celebrate?
am so excited. मैंने 5 जोड़े बना लिए हैं, full तैयारी कर लिया. I hope I can go also because I'm you know, I have brides on in the morning. So yeah, but night person.
Entrepreneurial stuff.
Yeah, but night person, I'm all ready. All the yellow dresses are ready. Super excited. Super excited.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amin.
I have co-founder of LAM Fashion Week Saad with me. I can see well-organized LAM Fashion Week happened at Expo Center Lahore. 4 days मैंने visit भी किया. I have seen people saying it's one of the best fashion weeks in the history of Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing?
Assalamu alaikum ji. All good, thank you.
First of all, tell me कि आइडिया कैसे आया कि लाम फैशन वीक करवाना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमने देखा है कि बहुत कम कटोर वीक्स हो रहे थे, लेकिन इस तरह का जिस तरह पहले हुआ करते थे शोज़, तो उसमें एक गैप आ गया कोविड के बाद से स्पेसिफिकली. सो हाउ द आइडिया केम एंड हाउ चैलेंजिंग इट?
देखिए जी, the idea was not a new idea from anywhere. With Pakistan Fashion Design Council, PFDC के साथ, we did 20 fashion weeks. So we realized as we did the fashion weeks that what sort of representation the industry requires. So those marketing platforms came into being at that time. And it took us 15-20 fashion weeks, 10-15 years to get the industry aligned on a structure like that. Then COVID came. But the gap that we always felt was that we were able to represent the designs, showcase the designs, but we were not able to convert that into commerce. And that's where I used to get frustrated that, Pakistan needs to convert this talent into business, and that's how it's going to flourish. So then the gap came, then COVID came, but we didn't know that we had started a movement.
अच्छा, इट्स वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज, एवरीबडी इज सेइंग इट. तो कितनी स्ट्रगल लगी आपकी टीम के? अब ये एंड हो रहा है, टुडे इज़ द लास्ट डे, तो कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आफ्टर दिस ह्यूज सक्सेस?
Oh, it's very very heartening and very fulfilling to see that everybody is loving it, and जो purpose हमारा था वो serve हुआ. We're showing to millions of people around the world. Live stream हो रहा है, live stream is glitch free. There is no gaps. Attendance आपके सामने है, माशाल्लाह shows smooth हैं.
So Basant is coming to Lahore because उसके सवाल के बगैर तो ये end नहीं हो सकता. तो how you are celebrating Basant this time?
I'm resting. I'm resting because
After this huge.
we've been working 6 months non-stop, so I'm going to rest. But obviously we'll go to family and friends functions and we will attend the Basants. But
Thank you so much, Saad.
thank you.
I have very diverse, pretty Amna Ilyas with me at the red carpet, who is very talented and my favorite. Assalamu alaikum, how are you doing?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How is your experience of Lam Fashion Week?
Well, I think it's amazing. First of all, I want to thank them for having me on board. I just launched my brand as an entrepreneur, and we're just 3 months old. So this opportunity was really, really.
Amna, from being an actress to designer entrepreneur, like entrepreneurship की तरफ आना, how tough it was and कितना मतलब what was the challenge?
Well, the only challenge I think I face is the expectations, because my friends from the fashion world and all the journalists, and I think they expect from me that I will do my best because I've been in the industry for so long. I've been the supermodel, I've worn the best of the best clothes from every designer. So they expect a lot from me, and I think that is the only thing that bothers me. वैसे hardship तो हर काम में होते हैं, हर काम में मेहनत है, and I love working hard. I have no issues, I never step back. Even when I was designing this collection, me and my partner, we had late nights, we haven't slept in 3 days for this show.
Amna, there is Basant in Lahore after so many years, so how much excited you are for that?
I have never attended Basant before, so this is the first time I'm going to do, and I'm very excited, and I will have a lot of fun. मैं पतंग उड़ाना भी सीखूंगी.
कैसे मना रही है, कहाँ मना रही है?
I have to go to an event. I don't even remember, but I have to go to an event. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I have one of the best CEO at the red carpet, Faisal Aftab साहब. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप?
I'm really good. How about yourself?
I am good. मुझे बताएं कि how is your experience of Lam Fashion Week?
It's amazing. I just got up here today from Islamabad. I've been seeing headlines all over news. It's amazing. They've done an amazing job. I feel like I'm in New York or Paris.
Who is your favorite fashion designer?
I got to go with one of the traditional ones. I think I'm forgetting the name. No, Nomi Ansari did my wife's Walima outfit. So I think that's got to be my one.
So your wife vote is your vote, right? So what's one red flag that you don't like in men's fashion?
I think fashion is individual to each person. I think the only thing is as you get older, you kind of stick to your fashion. Styles stick around longer.
बसंत आ रही है, कैसे celebrate करें?
I'm going to be back here in Lahore. It's amazing, 15 years. I think Lahore brings out its true self in Basant. So looking forward to being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
रेड कार्पेट और इस रेड कार्पेट के जो होस्ट हैं पूरे 4 दिन जिन्होंने कॉन्टीन्यूसली रेड कार्पेट पे आने वाले जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं उनकी होस्टिंग की है, उनके इंटरव्यूज़ किए हैं और फिर 120 कंट्रीज़ में सारा लाइव जा रहा था, तो साथ साथ आपको अपडेट भी रख रहे थे। रेहान इज़ माई सीनियर एज वेल। तो कैसे आप और मुझे ये बताएं, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस एट द रेड कार्पेट?
It was wonderful. I love doing red carpets for fashion shows, and there's a lot of hustle and bustle. यहाँ पर इतनी गहमा गहमी होती है, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि इतने सारे लोग तैयार होके आते हैं कि जी फैशन शो पे जा रहे हैं, तो they make an effort. So everybody looks beautiful. You know, they put up you know a good front. They wear amazing clothes, and especially जो नई generation है, उनका जो नया fashion है, उनको देख के भी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, because obviously they are the future of Pakistan.
मुझे बताएं कि who is your favorite designer?
Well, there isn't one. You know, I don't think you can ever have one favorite designer. You know, so I have multiple designers that I like. It all depends on your own style कि आपको क्या style अच्छा लगता है, और वो आप मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों से उसको पूरा करते हैं.
What is one that red flag in men's fashion that you don't like?
One red flag, white socks on on a dress suit. आपने ड्रेस सूट पहना हुआ है और आप उस पर वाइट सॉक्स पहन लें नीचे, तो दैट्स अ रेड फ्लैग. इससे अच्छा आप सॉक्स ना पहने.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I have Rabia Mughis with me. She is everywhere on social media. How are you doing today?
Thank you so much for having me, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm always a supporter of great fashion. I've been attending fashion shows since they're happening in Pakistan since 2010. There was a gap of 7 years. Before COVID, it just stopped, and then now it has resumed with a big bang, and I'm very excited.
Who is your favorite designer?
अच्छा, मैं जब आई थी तो सेकंड डे उस दिन फ़हद हुसैन की कलेक्शन वाज ब्यूटीफुल. दीपकन फ़हद की कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छी थी. सदफ़ की बहुत अच्छी थी. आई रियली लाइक दैट. आई ऑल्सो सॉ सम ऑफ द कलेक्शंस दैट हैपेंड येस्टरडे. कामया रोकनी की बहुत खूबसूरत कलेक्शन थी. आई थॉट इट वाज वेरी वेल क्यूरेटेड एंड वेल प्रेजेंटेड. एंड आई ऑल्सो लाइक दिस ब्रांड बाय मराम एंड आब्रो. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, बट आई लव द सिलुएट्स, cuts, the strategy behind it, and I think this is going to go really forward.
What is one red flag that you don't like in women's collection or designing?
I think everybody has tried their best.
Someone specific, overall, generically I'm talking about.
आई थिंक आप वेस्टर्न अगर कट्स रख रहे हो तो इसको फिर ईस्टर्न के साथ नहीं कोइंसाइड करना चाहिए. बट आई बिलीव एवरीबडी इज़ डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब.
बसंत आ रही है लाहौर में, कैसे सेलिब्रेट करें?
दो तीन रूफ टॉप्स की मुझे इन्विटेशंस हैं. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मेरे नाना जान के घर मॉडल टाउन में बहुत, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस, वेरी ओल्ड हाउस. उधर बहुत नॉन बसंत पार्टीज़ होती हैं. आई विल गो देयर फर्स्ट एंड देन आई विल मेक माई वे फॉरवर्ड टू अदर बसंत.
Thank you so much. All the best.
टेक केयर ऑफ.
I have Sarfaraz at the red carpet. If I talk about जितने बड़े इवेंट्स हो रहे होते हैं वो JB Jaws कंपनी करवा रही होती है, एंड सरफराज जो है वो उसको फाउंडर है, वन ऑफ द को फाउंडर, एंड ही लुक्स अप इनटू इट. और आज मैं अगर बात करूँ लाम फैशन वीक की, तो 4 डे पे मुश्तमिल ये जो फैशन वीक है, ये पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री में बहुत अरसे बाद हमें इस तरह का फैशन वीक देखने को मिला है. तो क्रेडिट गोज टू योर कंपनी एज वेल. कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आप?
Thank you so much. Congratulations to Lam Fashion Week, first chapter. And the way people from Karachi and everyone have responded to this first chapter for the 4 days, it's crazy. So, हमारी जो एक domain है, we've done the event management, ideation, and animations. Yeah. So, and then there are a lot of other stakeholders. Sheru is running, HSY is running the show. He's a show director. Lotus is handling the media. So, lot of stakeholders and everybody.
You organize a lot of big events, okay? So what was the challenge in this event, basically?
आपने स्ट्रक्चर देखा अंदर? That's huge. So उसको एक सपोर्ट देने के लिए.
To be honest, मैं एक चीज़ ऑनर कहना चाहूँगी कि मैंने बहुत सारे कटोर वीक जो है उसके रेड कार्पेट होस्ट किए हैं, बट द वे दिस इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इट्स वेरी रेयर. और इतना बड़ा मतलब जो है उसका सारा सेटअप और वो सब कुछ इन पाकिस्तान में बहुत रेयरली देखने को मिलता है. तो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वाज फॉर योर टीम?
क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट, बट हमने फैशन शोज इतने नहीं किए हुए. हम ज़्यादा कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स एंड we're more with associated with music, but it was a challenge, and now that we're entering into fashion, so we thought do something in terms of structure, and it has to be grand. तो शुक्र है अल्लाह का, आज it is the 4th day, but including rehearsals and everything, day and night, we've been doing it for the last...
Seems so tired as well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're probably going to celebrate. Thank you so much.
Thank you. How's your experience of Lam Fashion?
I think it's incredibly amazing that something of this magnitude is taking place. पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी के लिए, पाकिस्तान के मोराल के लिए, पाकिस्तान के इमेज के लिए it's amazing to put this foot forward. असल में हमें सिर्फ जो नज़र आता है फैशन वीक्स पे वो maybe the glam aspect, you know, the red carpets and the ramps, but what you don't see is the billion-dollar industry that exists in the linkages that create employment and jobs for so many men and women, and also create an aspirational dream to take it forward. So I am very excited about this becoming an annual event.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, best of luck, and it's so well organized.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
How are you doing?
Walaikum Assalam, I'm very well, thank you.
How is your experience of Lam Fashion Week so far?
Well, I'm one of the co-founders of Lam Fashion Week, so it's been a year of a lot of hard work, but alhamdulillah, it's coming to a beautiful end.
मुझे बताएं how tough it was for your team to conduct it all और फिर इतने बड़े लेवल पे, और I am seeing कि जिस तरह पहले हुआ करते थे फैशन शो, बीच में बहुत बड़ा गैप आया and now it's reviving. तो how does it feel and what was the challenge?
Well, you know, it's always a challenge to establish a new platform, but we have been incredibly lucky, very driven with the people with the vision, the teams putting everything together, and I feel it was much needed. There hasn't been a fashion week since the pandemic. The world has changed, and I think we finally have a perfect marriage of fashion and the business of fashion between the platform and Lam. So, you know, it's been a lot of hard work. It's come to a great end.
I have Bushra with me at the red carpet, who is from Skynet. How are you feeling at Lam Fashion Week?
I think I'm very overwhelmed. 4 दिन से attend कर रहे हैं and today is one of the best shows ever.
So सबसे ज़्यादा क्या एक्साइटेड है HSY का आज ग्रैंड जो है वो यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले होने वाला है. I am very excited for that. Are you?
Yeah, obviously because जब पूरा show directed by HSY है तो let's see what he's up to today.
What a star-studded night it was. 4 दिन पर मुश्तमिल लाम फैशन वीक आज जो है वो ख़त्म हो गया, लेकिन यहाँ पर छोटे से लेके बड़े ब्रांड, लग्जरी ब्रांड्स की बात करें, ब्राइडल ब्रांड्स की बात करें, बहुत सारे मॉडल्स, बड़े मॉडल्स और बहुत सारे ऐसे मॉडल्स जिनका जो करियर है वो स्टार्ट हुआ है वो यहाँ पर मौजूद थे. दिस फैशन शो वाज डायरेक्टेड बाय, डिज़ाइंड बाय HSY, और बहुत अरसे के बाद इतना बड़ा फैशन वीक, फैशन शो लाहौर में हमें देखने को मिला. इसी के साथ में प्रोग्राम का इख्तिताम करते हैं. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अपनी मेज़बान रामीन महमूद को दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह ने के बाद.